Hello, guys. Welcome to Blur the Channel. My name is Paulina, and today we're going to talk about GA4 audiences. So, before we start, let's recall a few things. As you can see, we now located in on a home page, and you can see that we have some active user on my website. So it means that GA4 property created, GA4 property implemented on the website. As soon as you do this, you are ready to start. If you don't know how to do this, please go to our channel and you'll find the video with the explanation and the step-by-step instruction there. So as soon as we are ready to start, let's recall second thing. What is audiences? Audiences in Google Analytics is a list of users who visited your website and did some action or didn't. So if you would like to have a general all users on your website, this is just like our normal list of users without any condition to do something on your website. If you would like to specify something, you would need to establish what is the goal on the page that you would like them to hit to be able to be added to your list. So let's start from the general audiences that you can have in GA4. From the beginning, as you created GA4 property, it's automatically you have all users. If you're gonna go to configure, if you're gonna go to subtab audiences, you're gonna see that I already, without doing anything, I have all users, audience, and purchases audiences. So if you would like to have only these two, you can stop watching this video, and that's if that's enough for you. But if you would like to cover some kind of users that, for example, in age, in some specific age group, or they did something on your website, like added something to the cart, and you would like to have this group of people separate from all the users on the website, stay tuned, we are ready to start. So if you would like to set up some audience specific, you need to click on the blue button new audiences, and here you have some things that already suggested from GA4 property. If you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see general, templates, and predictive. So if we are talking about general audiences, so you can set up some recently active users, non-purchasers, purchasers, 7-day lapsed users, and so on. So if you would like to, for example, to see what users have been active on your website, you can click on the recently active users, and here you have event already chosen, which is called user engagement. It means anything was hit by the user on the website. So this is an event that has been created automatically in GA4 without any your action from your side. And then you need to add parameter, and here it's going to be event count more than 0. If you're going to apply, what it means to you, it means that you gonna have these audiences with recently active users who went to your website and did any kind of action. They visited the page, they scrolled down, they clicked the button, and every user who did at least one will be added to these audiences, and you're gonna have it. So we're gonna save it for later, and you already have recently active users here. Okay, if you don't think that it's enough for you, you're gonna click on new audiences, and let's see what we have in the template. In the templates, you have this kind of fields like demographics, technology, acquisition. So for example, as I mentioned already, you would like to hit specific group age group. In this case, you would click on demographics, and here you have already age. Add filter is one of or is not one of. It depends if you would like to include or exclude. So for example, I would like to hit I don't know, older people, for example, 55, 64, and 65 plus. In this case, I would check it on, and then I will click apply. Then I can name it, for example, age group 55 plus, and then I will click save, and that's enough. Yep. So, looks easy for you, yeah? I hope so. In this case, if you feel okay, still not enough. I have recently active users. I have some age group, or for example, still let me highlight it for you. In demographics, you can use gender, language code if you have it on your website, interested country ID. If you would like to hit something specific, so for example acquisition, if they came to you via organic search or via paid search, you would specify it here. So for example it's going to be organic. Yeah, I don't have very much traffic on in this property, so it doesn't suggest me some results. In your case, if you have some traffic, it will suggest you like paid search, CPC, or organic, or referral, or direct, and so on. So it depends who you want to trigger and who you want to add to this list. Coming back, if for general and templates doesn't cover your needs, in this case, you are able to create a custom audiences. So you click here, and in this case, you are able to create any kind of use any kind of dimensions, use any kind of conditions to trigger users and to add these users to your list. So, for example, I would like to collect people who added to the cart at least one product. In this case, I will go to events, and here I already have add to cart. This is the action. This is the event that we created in the previous video. Or if you have it automatically collected in GA4, you can use it. So for example, add to cart. And in this case, I will add parameter. So for example, here, event count more than 0. So it means to us that at least one time they added to the cart and they will be in this list. Yeah, so for example, I will name it who added to the cart one prod. Yeah, at least one prod. In this case, we already created. You can see here, I have already 3 sessions and only one user hit it. So out of 3 sessions, only one user will be added to this list. If you have much more traffic, you're going to see, for example, 100 sessions and 25 or 20 users will be added to this audience based on your condition, based on your trigger. So that's pretty much it. I will click save, and I have my audiences. So already we covered general audiences and templates that are suggested by GA4, and creation of custom audiences. If you feel that it's not enough for you, I will add a list of audience that you are able to create, and I will add their instructions step by step, what to click and where to go, in the description of this video. I hope, guys, it was clear for you. It was enough information. If you have any questions, please ask in the reviews and I'll answer to you. Um, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye, guys.